What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you've got a Maserati key, I'm going to show you this key fob cover. So this Ghibli, I think it's the same as the Levante and the Quattroporte for this generation, is a really nice key. It's got these aluminum sides, but it can get dinged up. If you're looking for a cover, I thought I would try this. It seems to have a little pizzazz. I'm not sure if it's totally leather or TPU leather, but this is how it comes. It's not that expensive. It's, I think, 17 or 18 bucks, and looks like it comes with a little screwdriver as well as the key cover itself, and there we have it. Now I will just flip it over here, and I'm gonna say, I don't know, that looks pretty nice. Comes with a little foam in there. As you can see, it's a red leather. That's what I'm gonna call it. Maserati logo in kind of the old world font on there, as opposed to kind of that script. You can see we have some red stitching all the way around, so kind of like a little moccasin. And then the buttons are stamped in here too, lock and unlock. This one is going to vary depending on if you have a remote start. I have a panic button there, and then we have a cutout here. Now some of these, I've seen that the cutout goes all the way to the edge, which I don't really like, because then these little ends can flip up. So I like that the hole is there so that everything will be tethered down. And as you can see inside, we have a leather-like lining, so I don't think anything is going to scratch anything. And I like the fact that it's curved, cut all the way around. It's kind of got a nice shape. Now, to attach everything, and I'm not really sure that I like this so much. I might swap out the little ring or something, but we have a black chrome-like metal piece of hardware that you'll use a screwdriver to remove this bar, and that's going to keep the cover on. We have a little American flag there, which is, I think, just because it's mass-produced, but technically this should be an Italian flag, and then a little spring-loaded carabiner. This is nice. It's really heavy, but I don't really care so much about the flag. This should be really easy to put in. Obviously, you want to put the buttons where the buttons are. The fit is nice, kind of rounds it out a little bit, gives it some protection. And then, like I said, you can take this out and put it over this way. I'm gonna call this like 15 millimeters. I'm not sure exactly how thick that is. And you put that back in there. Gotta line up your screw, and then tighten her back down. Well, that's what it looks like. And if I were doing a permanent installation here, I might just put a thread locker on there to keep the screw from backing out. But that's what you got. Now you can clip on your extra keys or whatnot, and it's pretty nice. It's got a nice feel. It's a little slick, but it fits really, really well. And like I said, hides everything, but you still know what it is. You can still know what keys you're hitting. They have a nice feel to them too, and it's not expensive. Even this little D-ring here, this little shackle is kind of the right width. There's no extra slop or gap in it, which is really nice. Hey, if you want to pick this up for your Maserati key, I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.